Hello everyone, my name is Nano and today I'm going to show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube hard CFOP on F2L. Okay, so I think maybe this video is a bit pointless because I've done an F2L video on easy CFOP. If you want to check it out, just click on the I button up there. And if you don't, just you're gonna be spoiled over. So the cube is pretty much scrambled, and let's get right into the solve. But in this video, I'm gonna go of a run through of F2L walkthrough solves. So let's solve the cross. So the cross is it's not too hard actually. Like that. And now F2L, I can see this pair that I can bring it down, or actually I can bring it over. No, not like that, like this. It's pretty much better. So now I can separate the pieces and then pair them up and insert at the same time. Next is this one. I used the similar trick as before. Now the third pair, I can pair them up like this and then insert, and the fourth pair is already paired up, and we've got an OLL skip. Okay, so I got this GA perm that I can do this. Okay, next F2L solve. But that one was pretty lucky actually, because you know, right? An OLL skip. Yeah. Okay, so we've got this. The cross is pretty much easy. Now this pair, I can do this, which separates these two, and also these two are pretty much easy, and insert them from the back. And now, well, this one, I can do this and then insert from the back again. And the fourth one, I can rotate, insert it from the right, and now go on to the OLL and the PLL, which I'm gonna do it my own, because, well, you might not know some of these, but yeah. Next scramble, I'm gonna do only 3 today, so this is the last scramble. Okay, so we've got an easy cross, which I can do it like this, and this, and that. Now F2L, I can bring this pair down, and then bring it like that, and then insert it from the back. Now this pair, and then paired up and insert it from the back. And now this pair, I can do this, and then insert it like this. And last one, which it's pretty much easy, and you can insert it like that. And that pretty much wraps up this video. So I'm gonna start a new series of sticks. Okay. You can type either ask nano or ask sticks. ASKNANO or ASKSTIX. And then if you have a question, just hashtag ask sticks or hashtag ask nano, and then type in the question that you want to answer in the comments below this video only. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you want to keep up with my new videos, just subscribe. If you want people to solve the Rubik's Cube too, just share this video. And if you want to like this video, go ahead. And see you in the next video. Good luck, everybody. Bye.